Nothing disrupts your driving experience faster than a sudden engine misfire. Loss of power, rough idle, and warning lights can turn a routine drive into a stressful situation. This direct replacement component is designed to solve that problem by restoring proper engine operation and helping your vehicle perform the way it was meant to. Manufactured from high-quality materials, this part is built to resist abrasion and corrosion even in demanding underhood conditions. Heat, vibration, and long-term exposure to oil and moisture are all factors that can cause premature failure in lower-quality components. This replacement is engineered for durability, ensuring long-lasting performance you can rely on mile after mile. Precision design helps maximize engine efficiency and overall performance. By restoring proper operation to the affected system, it helps eliminate misfires, clear diagnostic trouble codes, and return smooth, consistent power delivery. While installation may require patience and the use of factory service information, the result is a confident repair that saves time and money compared to repeated troubleshooting or dealership labor costs. Vehicle owners report successful repairs after installation, noting that misfire codes disappeared and engine performance returned to normal. With the right tools, reference materials, and a methodical approach, this part can be installed by capable DIY enthusiasts as well as professional technicians. Designed as a direct replacement, it fits properly without modification and integrates seamlessly with the existing system. Once installed, it delivers reliable operation and peace of mind, knowing the issue has been addressed with a quality solution. If your vehicle is showing signs of misfires or reduced performance, this durable replacement part is a smart investment. Check the link in the video description to confirm compatibility and purchase today, and be sure to subscribe to the channel to discover more dependable automotive parts that help keep your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently.